I told myself I was just going to browse, but TEMU said add to the cart. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a TEMU haul. I just want to show you guys everything I bought. Let me know if it's worth it. Let me know if you'd like to buy them. Let me know if I actually got value for my money. So the first thing we have is this hairband. This hairband, just I don't know, I bought it because of these hands, you see these hands, just for skincare and maybe like pulling my hair back in case if I have braids or just my natural hair, because when I'm doing skincare I sometimes have my hair coming to my face and I have like some hair on my face when I'm doing skincare, and I don't want that. So but what actually made me buy this was because of these hands. Like, it's so funny and I think I like it. It looks good. I love it. Ooh. The second thing we have is this one. This pantyhose for my toddler. I know it's spring, but I mean, the weather is so unsure. Spring and winter have refused to break up. It's either snowing today in my city or raining or the sun is shining. So I got this one. I don't know if you can see. I like that it's elastic. It has this smooth finish. It feels so velvety on the inside. Can you see? So velvety on the inside. And I got this for 4 to 6 years. My toddler is just like 2 years and 8 months, but this girl is tall. She's really tall, so I like it. And this is what the fit looks like. It's stretchy and it's thick, very thick. The next thing we have is this crab thing. It's still like part of skincare. I just wanted to get like some fun stuff for skincare. Let me see if I can put it on. Okay, just something like this. I can't put it on my braids, you know, just something like this. I like this one. I love the crab legs, so to say, and the crab eyes. Okay. I also got a bib. I saw this bib. It was so cute. I love the color. I love everything. It's just so beautiful. Like, can you see? It's so beautiful. This is what the back looks like. There's a button here. There's a button here. And the arm is like stretchy. Oh, it's washable too. It's washable. I like that it has this pocket where food can just fall into when the baby is eating. Can you see? The quality is good. It's superb. I like it. I like it so much. Okay. I recently got a shimmery, beautiful dress for my daughter, but it was sleeveless. And because I actually wanted to have like something to cover because the weather is so unsure, I got this one. I like it. It's so nice. It's thick. Not so thick, but I mean, the quality is good. It's really good and I love it. It's so girly. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, this is another pop socks, like pantyhose, but this one has like ribbons. They were like different prices. This one is thick as well, like really, really thick. But the difference is just the ribbons and the it's still velvety in nature on the inside. It gives that smooth velvety feel to make your child very, very comfortable. So I like it as well. I love it. It's a bit stretchy, but not so stretchy. So that was why I bought it in like 4 to 6, because my girl is growing up. She's growing taller every day, and I don't want to go shopping every day because we don't have the time. And then this one, the next thing is this shoe, this white shoe. Ooh. She has a white dress and I felt like, okay, let me buy a white shoe to complement it. She loves this shoe. She already tried it on and she's like obsessed. She just kept stamping her feet and all of that. It's really beautiful. I love the color. I love the comfort. I like that I don't have to stress myself to buckle it up. You just have to lift the Velcro and then close it back. Just that, like that. And I have another hairband here. Still for skincare, but this one has like the giraffe shape. Like, can you see the giraffe ears, head? I used it in a particular video. When I use it, I'm gonna show you guys. And then I got this. Tell me how you know I'm a girl mom if I don't show you some hair care things I got. Like, it's beautiful, it's colorful, it's like everything. So I think we have like 20 colors of rubber bands. I just hope that they are strong. We have like 20 colors of rubber bands. I don't know if you can see. Let me just show you. We have 20 colors here. Can you see? It has the band, it has this clip-ons, it has the rubber band, and it has these tiny ones that you can just use to style the hair. I like it, and I also like that it comes with a comb. And a bead, this bead fixer. I don't know what it's called, but you use it to fix bead. It's really beautiful. I like it, and I like that it comes in this box, so you can just keep everything in place. There's another set of band here under here. I like this one. I've been looking for this in the most colorful set, but I like it. And then another thing we have is, this was just basically for the girl, you know, the girl. This jacket, I can't remember how old this or what size this is, but I bought it because of these stones here. Let me show you the stones. It looks like I don't have to sit for this recording anymore. I bought it because of these stones here. Can you see? They're beautiful. Like, I love it. I bought it because of these stones here and because of the shimmering effects, like this sequin kind of effect in the jacket. That was why I bought it. And it's really nice because she has like a white dress. I love the quality. I love the quality. So if you're thinking of shopping from TEMU and you're unsure, I hope this video will either convince you or confuse you, but I hope to convince you. This is not a sponsored ad for TEMU, but I'm just like saying you can actually find affordable things, nice things for yourself and your child in TEMU. So I also got like my own kind of on this less wear. Can you see? I haven't tried it on, but yeah. I also got this. This is basically for my contents, like when I'm doing like flat lays or anything. I just need this for my flat lay videos, you know. I also got this nano tape. I haven't used this before, but it's a tape that basically sticks like back and front. Let me show you. So I'm showing you like an up close view of the stuff. This is what this stuff looks like. It's so funny. Like, I like it. And this one, the giraffe thing, this is the up close view. And then this one, the pantyhose, this is the up close view. This is what it looks like, and it has this velvety nature, velvety feel, very soft, very demure, and very cutesy. I like it. And the bow on the feet, I like it so much. Then the bib, this is what the back of the bib looks like. This is the front, and this is the part where you add, where the food falls into. This is the side where the section where the food falls into while your baby is eating. And this is the white pantyhose. This is it. This is what it feels like on the inside. The crab. Can you see? And then the shoe. This is what the shoe looks like. This is the back. This is the front. The last thing is this plate set. My daughter is obsessed with this plate. I don't know if it's the color or what, but she loves it. She loves it. It's microwave safe. I love the color because it's feminine, and it's good. It's good. I mean, and it sucks really well. Like if you place it on a table, it's hard to pull out. The suction really works. So guys, this is everything I got. Let me know which is your favorite in the comments. Let me know if you want me to do another haul or try another store. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. And let me know, has this actually convinced you to buy from TEMU or run away from TEMU?